Hey home buyers, I'm Brian Goff and I couldn't be more excited than to bring to you this new listing and great opportunity to kick off the 2021 selling season. This 6¼ acre parcel has a 1,500 square foot ranch tucked into the pines in an incredible setting. With over 1,500 square feet of living space, main floor master suite, main floor laundry, lots of updates including brand new appliances, new well pump, pressure tank, air conditioning, roof, the list goes on. You have to come see it before this one's gone. Property also features a fully fenced in backyard, 24x48 pole barn, and I can't wait for you to come check it out. I'm Brian Goff, hope to see you soon.